Before starting, before starting the session, first let me fix our agenda. Today, we are going to be understand what is AWS. Today, we are going to be understand what is an exactly DevOps. We are going to be understand, guys, please. Before starting this demonstration, let me overview of this course. What exactly this course? Let us describe first. This course is complete AWS plus Linux basics and shell script. The combination of these three, this is the course. The total duration of this course is 2.5 months. It will take to complete this course 2.5 months. So for learning this course, Linux basics required that I will be covered. Shell script basics required that I will be covered. No programming is required like Java, .NET, Python. No programming is required, and moreover, we are not writing any programming in this course. Programs are not required. We are not writing any programs. You have a laptop with this configuration for practice for each and every day. Who can join in this course, guys, please? Freshers can join in this course. Experienced students can join in this course, please. And if you join in this course, which are all the benefits, guys, please? Daily class recordings after the payment via Google Drive you will be received from data of registration. You are going to be accessing up to 11 months. Resume preparation, interview question answers, 80% of soft material. So I'm going to be providing with you. So we're going to be discussing so from basic level to advanced level, and each and every session is a practical oriented session. Each and every session is a practical oriented session, guys, please. And daily we're going to be spending 1 hour. That means you need to practice 2 hours per day. Totally 1 plus 2, 3 hours you have to promise yourself every day. So classes are Monday to Saturday. Sometimes Saturday is holiday, but prior to one day, let you know. Maximum Monday to Saturday we have a session, sir. Sometimes rarely we don't have any classes on Saturdays, but prior to one day, I'll be informing with you. The course fees is 6,000 rupees. Course fees is what? 6,000 rupees. You are going to be paying for complete AWS course. The 6,000 rupees you're going to be paying for complete AWS. For daily recording sessions, daily recordings you're going to be receiving. For that also you're going to be paying 6,000 for this batch. For this, because of this batch, so only 5,000. Okay, for next cycle onwards, next batch onwards, it will be 6,000. That means you're going to be paying 5,000. So if you want to talk to admin, please call to 9297 9297 and 77. If any admin kind of question related to payments or else so payment gateway, whatever may be, so you need to call to them. So either you can call or else you can able to WhatsApp also, that is an issue. Okay. If this number is busy, please call to this number. And this is an exactly course content. Course content link. If you copy paste this link in the chat box, means in the browser, you can able to revise my course content. What exactly we are going to be covering in this 2.5 months, we can able to, the first document you know very well, course overview. The second document is what exactly? AWS content. It is totally around maybe 10 pages of AWS content. 10 pages of AWS, 10 pages of AWS content. 10 pages of AWS content. So each and every student, so please be get it from chat box, or else you can take a photo. Please be take a snap by using your mobile, either offline or online. This is will be further communication. Please take a one snap, one photo by using your mobile. So, yeah, shall we start a demonstration, please? So before starting, let me introduce myself. My name is Maha. I have totally 15 years of IT experience. My career starts as a Java dev. Then I turn as DevOps engineer, senior DevOps engineer. From last 5 years onwards, I'm working as a senior DevOps engineer as well as AWS and with Azure also. This is in exactly my profile. So today we're going to be discussing about what? What is AWS? Before starting, so I'm going to be asking you one question. Please answer to me. What is an exactly application? What is an exactly application? What is an exactly application? Application is equal to website. Application is equal to websites like a Flipkart website, like Book My Show, Redbus, IRCTC. These are all we are calling as what? Application. What is an application? The working software which is written any programming like Java, .NET, Python. We are called as what? Application. That application we are gonna be placed. We're gonna be placed on servers. So the working software as an application, we are gonna be placed on hundreds of servers. We're gonna be placed on hundreds of servers. Once if it is placed our application on hundreds of servers, we are going to be accessing over internet as a website. I hope you people are understand what is an application. Anybody help me? Application is equal to website. That a website we're going to be host on server side. Then we are going to be accessing over a internet. So, the next question I'm going to be ask you, what is in exactly infrastructure? So, for maintaining our application, for deploying our application, we required a infrastructure. What is infrastructure? For example, to conduct this session, means this DevOps classes or what may be AWS classes, we require infrastructure or not? Chairs, tables, laptop, TV, internet connection, AC, my water bottle. These are all infrastructure or not? Without this infrastructure, can able to conduct these sessions or not? No. The same way, for maintaining our applications, for deploying our websites, what kind of infrastructure is required? That is my question. So majorly, we require servers. We require servers. We require networks. We require databases. We require storages. So these are all major infrastructure is required to maintain our websites on hundreds of servers. Clear? What is an application? We understood. What is infrastructure? We understood. But how many ways we can able to get this infrastructure? How many ways? How many ways to get infrastructure? We can able to get three ways totally. First one is what? By physical environment or virtual environment or cloud environment. Either physically or virtually or cloud environment. Server is same, but way of getting is different. We can able to get servers either by physical environment or virtual environment or cloud environment. I hope you understood very clearly. So I'll repeat one more time. So for maintaining our applications, we require this infrastructure. This infrastructure either by physically or by virtually or by cloud environment we can able to get it. But tell me, what is cloud computing? What is cloud? The cloud is nothing but a internet. But what is the computing, please? What is an exactly compute? It's a new word. Ah. So you have a computing power in a laptop or no? Yes, which kind of computing power? RAM, CPU, hard disk, we are calling as a computing power or not? That's what we're calling as a computer. So what is a computing power? Please tell me. What is a computing power? So which you having a hardware resources in your laptop. The same kind of computing power in servers also, like RAM, CPU, motherboard. The hardware which you are seeing, which we have, that we are calling as what? Computing power. But what is the cloud computing? My question is very specifically I'm asking to you. What is an exactly cloud computing? Listen very carefully. The remote placed resources. The remote placed resources like remote placed computing power. If you can able to access over a internet, over a internet from your laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. Tell me. So what is a cloud computing? Please anybody help me? Remote placed resources. If we can able to access over internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. Cloud computing, we understood very clear. First, let us understand what is a data center. So what is a data center? Simple way. Simple way. The huge computing power, keeping in a rack wise in a big room, we calling as a data center. Just like your building, like just like your institute, just like your home, just like your apartment. These data centers are existing physically. We can able to see with your eyes. How exactly you can able to touch your mobile. How exactly you can able to see your laptop. Same way of physical or data centers, we can able to see with our eyes. These data centers are physically existing. So from these data centers, if we can able to access a computing power or resources or infrastructure, our internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. I'll repeat. These data centers are located in different geographical locations, like in US, like in Singapore, like in Mumbai, like in Hyderabad also. These data centers are physically exist throughout the globe. So from these data centers, if we can able to access infrastructure, our internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud compute. Let me repeat one more time. So remote placed resources. Remote means in somewhere else, like in US, Singapore, or Mumbai. From remote placed resources, resource is nothing but what? Either server or network or databases or storages. If we can able to access remote place resources over internet from your laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. I hope you people are understand very clearly what is a cloud computing. Tell me, which is easy for you? Which is then exactly easy for you? Select the news and build the news. Always we are going to be preferring only select the news on. Select then use means. So any cloud is going to be providing only rental based infrastructure. We're not buying anything by using cloud. We are not buying, but we are going to be taking rental infrastructure. Instead of buying infrastructure, we're going to be taking what? Rental infrastructure. So I will give you a good example. You can understand much deeper. Just listen very carefully. So I want to go to railway station. I want to go to railway station by car. I buy car. I can able to get a car two ways. So first way, buy car, buying a car, and you need to railway station. The second option is what? Rental car, like Ola, Uber. Which is better for us? Rental always. So simply, just for reaching a railway station, are you really buying a car by spending 10 lakhs rupees? It is stupid idea, am I right or wrong? Instead of buying a car, just book a Ola cab. Within 10 minutes, the car is available at your doorstep. Happily can able to reach railway station. What is the tariff? Can pay up to maybe 3 to 300 to 400, 500. That's it. After that, do not worry about the car. But still, if you have a buy a car, what will happen? We have to spend upfront amount 10 lakhs. Then that's it. No license is required. RC copy is required. Pollution check is required. Insurance copy is required. So you have a driving license. Moreover, you have to drive. If you don't have driving, you have to hire one driver also. These are all the headaches if you want to maintain a car. Instead of that, just go for Ola car. Just go for rental car. Am I right or wrong? The same example applicable for applications also. Just for deploying our applications, really are you going to be buying a server or else rental service, which is easy for you? Rental. Rental service. So we're going to be getting rental service and easily we are going to be deploying means placing our applications and we can able to fulfill our purpose easily. But instead of that, if you buy a service, what will happen? We have to keep servers in a data center, means like this big room. Who will pay the rent for every month? Current bill, who will pay? Employee salaries. There's a lot of headache. Instead of buying, we are always looking for what? Rental service for what? Maintaining, deploying our websites. This is an exactly cloud. Why we are moving into the cloud? For just rental infrastructure. Rental infrastructure. So any cloud, either Google, either Azure or AWS, any cloud, any cloud, any cloud. So providing rental infrastructure only. Any cloud provider, they are providing only rental infrastructure. But we are going to be learning out of those AWS, Amazon Web Services. Any cloud same, but so providers are different. Providers are different. But which provider we going to be learning, guys? Please, which cloud provider? AWS, Amazon Web Services. AWS is a first to cloud provider. AWS is a first to cloud provider. AWS is a first to cloud provider in 2002 might be. So that is the reason it is a popular. It is a first provider. So because of it is occupied more than 60-50% of market. And tell me. In AWS, we are going to be discussing totally 4 modules. Each module will take 2 weeks. Each module we're going to be spending 2 weeks of time. So, what is the first module? VPC. Second module is what? EC2. Third module is what? RDS. Fourth module is what? S3. VPC is nothing but what? Network. EC2 is nothing but what? Servers. RDS is nothing but what? Databases. S3 is nothing but what? Storage. Storage. But let it be write down. So EC2 is nothing but what? Servers. So network is nothing but what? VPC. RDS is nothing but what? Databases. S3 is nothing but what? Storage. So for deploying our applications, what kind of infrastructure we require, we can able to get it from cloud. We can able to get it from cloud as a rental base. As a rental base. First, let us understand what is the VPC, what is EC2, what is RDS, what is S3. Let us deep diving into this, please. Let us deep diving into this, please. So, what is the VPC? VPC is nothing but what? Network. VPC is nothing but what? Network. So a isolated private network, a office kind of private network, we are going to be getting over internet in a virtual form is nothing but what? VPC. I think each and every buddy knows how exactly network. So if you visit any office, so the computers are connecting with internet cable. Am I right or not? That is an exactly physical network. Or else in your home we have a broadband connection or not? We have a modem. That modem we have internet cable connecting with your laptop or not? Even my laptop also connected with the network. Without network, there is no class for today, sir. So, but these networks are private networks. Your office network is what? Private network, which you can't be accessed from outside world. So that's the point I want to tell you. A isolated, a office kind of private network, if we can able to access over a internet in a virtual form is nothing but what? VPC. By using VPC, we can able to create n number of networks. N number of networks. So for example, first network is for you. Second network is for me. Third networks are for my friend. N number of networks we can able to create. There is no limit. There is no limit. N number of networks. I'll repeat this point. Listen very carefully. Anybody can getting into the AWS. You and me, anybody. But after getting into AWS, we can able to create our private section. This is an exactly your private section. No one can enter into this. You can do whatever you want. Without your permission, no one can enter. No one can enter. We can create a service here. We can create a databases also. For example, so we have a two companies. One company name is what? TCS. And second company is what? HCL. So TCS and HCL, both companies are using AWS. But once if it is getting, TCS people can able to create their own network. HCL people also can create their own network. But HCL can't be getting into TCS. TCS can't be getting into the HCL. So that's kind of like level of security is available inside AWS. So what is a network? Anybody help me? A virtual private network is your private section of AWS, where you can able to place resources like servers and databases. Who can access? Who can't be accessed? We can able write rules and regulations. Is nothing but what? VPC. Simply we can say only one word. VPC is equal to network. It is more than enough to understand. VP is equal to network, private network, whatever. But what about EC2? By helping of EC2, we can able to create a server. So how exactly your laptop has, which are all the components, has your laptop, same kind of resources, same kind of component server also, like CPU, operating system, hard disk, RAM, firewall, NIC. So which are all the components available in laptop, the same kind of components available in server also. But your laptop is just for your home purpose. But server is for what? Deploying or placing our applications, please. Deploying and placing our applications. Clear all of you. But what is EC2? So what is the computing power? RAM, CPU, whatever which you have discussed. The computing power, if we can able to access over internet in elastic form, a flexible kind of computing power over internet, if we can able to access in a virtual form, is nothing but what? EC2. 1E, 2 Cs. 1E, 2 Cs. It's nothing but what? EC2. Got it very clear. Example, to understand this, I'll give a good example you can understand. For example, I want to deploy a Hotstar kind of applications, or else a Prime Video, Netflix, any kind of website I want to post. So first, what we have to require, please, first we need to establish what? Network. Without network, there is a server. First, we need to establish what? Networking. On top of it, we are going to be creating what? First, we are going to be establishing network. Once if it is established network, we are going to be creating a server. On top of server, we're going to be host our Hotstar application. Once if it is host, we can able to access over internet from anywhere in the world, just like this. Done or no? Happy? We are so happy. But the problem here is where exactly our customer information, either email address, phone number, communication address, where we can able to maintain in our databases, relational database services, just like your Oracle databases, MySQL kind of databases, we can able to get it. We can able to get it, please. So, but one more question is pending. By using this RDS, we are going to be maintaining our larger videos or like series, web series, so Blu-ray printed Hollywood movies, Blu-ray printed Hollywood movies. We are watching in Hotstar or not. But if it is a Blu-ray printed, how much? What is the size of this files? More than 3 GB. So can able to hold this 3 GB of files in other RDS in databases? No, we can't. That is the reason. So we are going to be using what? S3, external storage. S3 is nothing but what? External storage, simple storage services. By using S3, by using S3 bucket, we can upload, we can download any kind of information, any kind of data. Means like video file, audio file, text file, PDF, doc, image, any kind of file, we can upload, we can download over internet by using any device. Any device. Example, this PPT presentation coming from Google Drive itself. The best example S3 bucket is Google Drive. How we are uploading, how we are downloading files in Google Drive, same way our S3 bucket also. Means by using AWS, we can able to get a service, we can able to create a network, we can able to get a databases, we can able to store in externally also. By helping of these 4 infrastructures, these 4 modules, we can easily deploy our applications. We can easily deploy I hope you people are understand what exactly AWS. For example, we're gonna be discussing about we are gonna be discussing about network like VPC. So first we should understand what is the network basics. Directly if you start AWS, you may understand, we may not be understand. So mostly you are not coming from networking background. Am I right? That is the reason first 3 4 classes we gonna be understand fundamentals of network. What is an IP address? What is subnet? What is static network? Dynamic network? IP addressing? Subnet? So network ID, host ID, classical, classful, classless, subnetting, router, modem, CIDR. So we're going to be discussing in very depth. After understanding fundamentals theoretically, then we are going to be the same concept, same understanding in AWS in a practical manner also. And moreover, we are going to be learning each and every model GUI, graphical representation, which is very easy. Graphical represent each and every model. So we're going to be understand CLI, command line interface. By executing commands, we can able to handle AWS. So we are going to be learning CF, cloud formation also. Means same concept we're going to be reiterating. So thrice and 4 times, 3 times we're going to be learning. That's what it is going to be taking 2.5 months or else. So 50 days is more than enough. So why it is taking? Because of, so graphically we're going to be learning, commandly we're going to be learning, and cloud formation means script. We're going to be writing some formats, not a programming, not a script also. It is some kind of formats we're going to be writing, and execute we can able to create infrastructure in AWS. So this is what exactly. This is like EPC, like EC2, like S3, like RDS we are going to be discussing this. This is what exactly for today's session. Today is more than enough. So we'll be continuing. So we will meet with tomorrow also, samely at same time. So before taking your questionnaire, so I have one more time. Let us revise this course overview. Let us revise one more time. Course overview, please, because some students are late joiners. That's what for them. Let them get benefited, guys. This course is completely designed with what? AWS, Linux basics, and shell script. The total duration of this course what? 2.5 months. So as a prerequisitions, I'm going to be covering Linux basics, shell scripts, and no programming is required like Java, .NET, not required. So you have a laptop. You require a laptop to practice. So freshers can join in this course. An experienced can also join in this course. Any graduate can join in this course. If you join in this course, which are all the benefits, guys? Please, daily class recording videos after the payment via Google Drive. You will be received after the payment. After receiving these videos, you're going to be accessing up to 11 months. So resume preparation, interview question and answers, 80% of material I will be providing with you. So our classes start from very basic level, ends with an advanced level. Each and every session is a practical oriented sessions. So daily 1 hour session, daily 1 hour session. So Monday to Saturday classes, sometime Saturday also holiday, but prior to one day I'll let you know. Sunday complete holiday, there is no classes on Sunday. So you're going to be paying 6,000 rupees for AWS, for daily recordings. For this batch only 5,000. So if you want to join next batch onwards, 6,000 will be. 6,000 will be. If you want to talk to Redmi regarding fees, is what I maybe talk to him. So 9297 double 7. You can WhatsApp or else you can call. If it is this number is busy, please call to this. And it is an exactly course content link. If you copy paste this link in the chat box in browser, you can access our course content link. Once if it is double click on this, it will be open. Please be open. It is totally around maybe 10 pages of the AWS content. Please revise once. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Please, my end. So, do you have any questions, please? Any questions, please? Sarita, please wait. Definitely, I will talk to you. Please wait, Sarita. Please wait. Is there any live class or recording sessions? Each and every session is a live. So how exactly you attend the classes? Same every day. But after the session, I'm going to be providing recording also. But by helping of recording, you're able to practice. Recording is only for practice. You are regular attending sessions. After the session, you have any query, any doubt, please revise the class. Still you have any question after recording, you can clarify by next class also. So recordings, what is intention for recording? For recording, practice purpose. Venkat, yeah, you can. For this batch, 5,000. 5,000 with recordings. Sachin, I clearly mentioned 5,000 for what? For regular classes, for daily recordings, Venkat. Venkat, please, definitely I'll talk to you, please, definitely. One by one, please, definitely. So Abhijit asked this question, what about AWS certifications? You can able to do AWS certification, solution architect. After completion of this course, you can able to eligible to do certification, online exam. Eligible certificate, Abhijit. AWS certificate in AWS website. That will cost around maybe more than 18,000. Abhijit, yeah. No one. Anil, this is an exactly AWS administrator. Anil, Anil, answer is no for you. How much that cost? Obviously, around maybe 18,000. I didn't aware of that. Please, you can cross check it, please. Will you provide a certificates? After completion of course, you can receive a course complete certificate from our institute also. AWS certificate is different, our course institute certificate is different. Madhu. Venkat, please wait. I will talk to you. Sada, please. When you have to pay today, you can pay. If you're interested, you can pay today or tomorrow also you can pay. There is no problem. But we are going to be conducting 2-3 demos only, not long weekdays demo sessions. Maximum 2-3. Then we're going to be start regular sessions, please. First demo. What is this developer SaaS certificate? This is no one. ELK we are going to be. Terraform is not in this, Sada. ELK we are going to be learning. ELK is covered, yes. Sada, ELK is going to be covered, please. Yes, definitely, Abhijit. Yeah, you can able to do that. Abhijit, yes. Yeah. So still, do you have any other questions, please, all of you? Chat box. So who want to talk to me? Can you reply in the chat box? I will unmute. You can talk to me. Sarita and Sarita. 1 second. One by one, please. So a lot of people would want to talk to me. First, let me talk to Venkat, okay? Then go for Sada. Go for Sarita. Venkat, please. Venkat, please. K.
Yeah.
Venkat.
Yeah. Hi, sir.
Please.
Sir, actually, I have some queries like regarding, like it is a admin course or AWS
It's,
development course,
it
sir.
is purely AWS administration.
So in AWS, again, development also is there. I mean, actually, I want to the AWS development. So that
You
is
can able to do that also, but it is purely designed for AWS administration. Maybe a few service Lambda services, DAO tools. Yeah, you
okay.
can also, but few services.
So okay, so this course is usable for the PySpark also. Actually, I am working on PySpark. So
Mm.
even I wanted learn the AWS. So which one I have to learn? Even still I have confusion. AWS admin I have to learn, or AWS development I have to learn for the PySpark developer. So that is I'm asking which one I
AWS
have.
developer and AWS developer you have to.
AWS developer. Okay, this course is not usable, sir, for
No,
the
no, no,
PySpark.
no. Some few services are different. That's it.
Okay. Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, sir.
So Suresh asked this question. So which is a better cloud? AWS, Azure, GCP. All are same. But I recommend one of among any one of. One cloud should be perfect. One cloud should be perfect. And if you learn one cloud, the remaining clouds are very easy to learn. I recommend AWS because of learning AWS. Then Azure, Suresh. These two are important. First AWS, then Azure. GCP is not required. If it is possible, we're going to be adding those services, Lambda services, some services we have. Please, Gauri, please, wait. So some other students are in the keep in the line. Please let it be. What next in the line, please? Sarita. Sarita, please talk to me, please. So
Will you cover Jenkins, GitHub, Docker?
that will be covered in DevOps course.
This is not DevOps course.
No, this is not a DevOps course. DevOps will be uh, 13th, 13th February, 6 p.m.
Okay.
I will be teaching
Uh,
DevOps also, but in timings are different. You
okay.
can join
Kubernetes
7
also
p.m.
will you teach? Kubernetes also will you teach?
Yeah, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Maven,
Okay.
Ansible, Chef, Vagrant,
What?
Kubernetes, Docker, AWS, all together.
Okay. How to create accounts, sir? By debit card or credit card?
Debit card, debit card. Azure is their
Easy
credit
way.
card. AWS is debit card. Any Visa, Mastercard. I will explain next class. How to create AWS account, I will explain. I will show you. In the
Okay.
class itself, I'll
What
explain.
is the difference? Yeah, you have already started one class in the morning,
Okay.
morning 7 o'clock. Your new batch has started. What is the difference between morning classes and evening class
So
courses?
morning 6, 7 a.m. is a DevOps classes and completely DevOps plus AWS. Both are included. It is only purely
Okay.
discussing only AWS. No DevOps here.
Okay, okay. DevOps.
There is
In
no
morning
DevOps.
class, yes, sir. I have one doubt. In morning session, we will complete all Docker, Kubernetes,
All
AWS,
together.
Flex, and
That classes it will
self
be more than
thing.
5.5 months. But this course is
Five
complete
and a
around
half months.
2.5 months.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Sarita. Okay, then what next? Sadhana? No, so because of my students, some students are joining DevOps demos also. That's what they confuse it. So this course is only purely AWS. But morning session which I conducted, that is DevOps plus AWS. The difference is there. Don't be confused. Okay, Sada, please.
Hi. So I'm actually
Father,
looking for
Father.
application development point of view.
Okay.
So do you think this course will be helpful?
No, as of right now, we are focusing only AWS administration part.
So I'm pretty new to the AWS, means I don't have any basic knowledge also.
No,
So
that's
is it a good starting point?
yeah. You can start from here. You can switch as a development environment. So you can do that. Sada.
So do you have any developer course going on or anything upcoming?
I will let you know, please, in future.
Okay, and in this course, by any chance, you will cover those topic like Terraform or Lambda basic thing?
So lambdas we are going to be included. Terraform is I'm thinking about that. Not as of right now, it is not included. In future, we're going to be include Terraform also.
Okay, and in developer course, all this Terraform will be there,
Yes, yes. Terraform is
and
there.
you are going to take care for the developer also.
Yes, yes. I will. But not as of this course. There is no. I didn't include those topics.
Okay. Do you have any plan for the developer course upcoming
Yeah, I will
in
be. I
future?
will be. I will be. I will be. Sadar.
Okay, nothing scheduled now.
As of right, there is no schedule.
Okay, and last question. So for certification, which certification will be helpful after completing?
AWS Solution Architect.
Okay, so you are saying after completing this course, I will be able to write AWS solution architect without taking any further classes.
Yes, 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 you can.
Are you going to provide with some question and
Yeah,
answer
some
dumps or
questionnaire,
anything?
yes, dump I will provide. Don't worry.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes. Then what next? Who is talking, please?
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
So the same doubt what he has asked. So I'm a Java developer. So will this course will be helpful, or do we have any other courses for
No,
the
is this
development?
helpful? But some few services we need to add it here, like Lambda and Terraform. That will be maybe we planning for next batch.
Yeah, can you
As of
please
right.
send those details if it is scheduled to me, because I'm interested
Like,
to
as of right
join.
now, not scheduled, but we plan for next batch, definitely.
Yeah, yes, sir. So for the online students, for the questionnaire answer section, so after the end of these sections,
End up this section. Middle, if you discussion, definitely
okay,
the remaining people will be disturbed.
okay.
So
So
that is
like this, what we are having now.
yeah, yeah, you can ask in the chat box. I can definitely reply. But so voice audio chat might be none.
Okay, yes, thank you.
Sachin, huh? Sachin. Yeah, please wait, Sachin. Sachin Javed. Please.
Hello.
Yeah, please, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, my question is that along with this course, you are going to teach us Linux and Shell also.
Obviously, Linux basics and shell script also.
Okay. Yeah.
So is there any other in the queue, please? Is there any other students want to talk to me? Can you reply in the chat box? Is any other student want to talk to me? Ritish, 1 second, Ritish.
Hi, sir.
Ritish.
Actually, I have 6+ years of experience, so I just want to transition my career into this AWS. So just
Okay.
want to know, is this course like for starting? Is this course sufficient for me to just transition my career?
Yeah, you can, Ritesh.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Uh, but one more thing is there. Suppose I want to transition. Do I need to show any extra experience in this? Suppose as a pressure, if I want to go, then is it
No, no, no. You're already experienced and you have to show an experience only.
right? Like how much should I
You
show? Like,
can show minimum 2 to 3, 2.5.
but for that, I just need to show any kind of projects as well, right? That I
Yeah,
have
yeah,
completed.
yeah. I will explain those things.
Okay, that will be covering, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, and this is the admin course, right, sir?
Yes, yes. Administration course.
Okay, and how the practicals will be covered, because I'll be joining this course online. So
So
just
that's
wanna
what
know.
each and every session is a practical oriented session, and I will explain each and everything in front of you live. But the
Okay,
same thing you have to simulate in your laptop. Still, if you have any struggle, so you
mm,
can revise the class by using recordings.
okay,
Still, if you can't do that, you can track the next session by end or beginning of the session. You can
mhm,
you can do that. Still, if you can, you can talk to me like this. Still, if you can, you can share
mm,
your screen. I can able to help you.
okay. And so will there be any assistance in interviews or
Entry
also?
question and answer. I will resume preparation. Entry questions. I will share. Sure.
Okay, that will be assisted. Fine, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mm,
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So, is there any question offline students? Yes, please. So we will be continue by tomorrow with same link at the same time. Tomorrow we have a session with the same link, same time. Will be continue by tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Will be continue. Thank you. before starting the session, first let me fix our agenda. Today we are going to be understand what is AWS. Today we are going to be understand what is an exactly DevOps. We are going to be understand, guys, please. Before starting this demonstration, let me overview of this course. What exactly this course? Let us describe first. This course is complete AWS plus Linux basics and shell script. The combination of these three, this is the course. The total duration of this course is 2.5 months. It will take to complete this course 2.5 months. So for learning this course, Linux basics required, that I will be covered. Shell script basics required, that I will be covered. No programming is required like Java, .NET, Python. No programming is required, and moreover, we are not writing any programming in this course. Programs are not required. We are not writing any programs. You have a laptop with this configuration for practice for each and every day. Who can join in this course, guys, please? Freshers can join in this course. Experienced students can join in this course, please. And if you join in this course, which are all the benefits, guys, please? Daily class recordings after the payment via Google Drive you will be received from data of registration. You are going to be accessing up to 11 months. Resume preparation, interview question answers, 80% of soft material. So I'm going to be providing with you. So we're going to be discussing from basic level to advanced level, and each and every session is a practical oriented session. Each and every session is a practical oriented session, guys, please. And daily we're going to be spending 1 hour. That means you need to practice 2 hours per day. Totally 1 plus 2, 3 hours you have to promise yourself every day. So classes are Monday to Saturday. Sometimes Saturday is holiday, but prior to one day, let you know. Maximum Monday to Saturday we have a session, sir. Sometimes, rarely, we don't have any classes on Saturdays, but prior to one day, I'll be informing with you. The course fees is 6,000 rupees. Course fees is what? 6,000 rupees. You are going to be paying for complete AWS course. The 6,000 rupees you're going to be paying for complete AWS. For daily recording sessions, daily recordings you're going to be receiving. For that also going to be paying 6,000 for this batch. For this, because of this batch, so only 5,000. Okay, for next cycle onwards, next batch onwards, it will be 6,000. That means you're going to be paying 5,000. So if you want to talk to admin, please call to 9297 9297 and 77. If any admin kind of question related to payments or else payment gateway, whatever may be, so you need to call to them. So either you can call or else you can able to WhatsApp also, that is an issue. Okay. If this number is busy, please call to this number. And this is an exactly course content. Course content link. If you copy paste this link in the chat box, means in the browser, you can able to revise my course content. What exactly we are going to be covering in this 2.5 months, we can able to, the first document you know very well, course overview. The second document is what exactly? AWS content. It is totally around maybe 10 pages of AWS content. 10 pages of AWS pages of AWS content. 10 pages of AWS content. So each and every student, so please be get it from chat box, or else you can take a photo. Please be take a snap by using your mobile, either offline or online. This will be further communication, please. Please take a one snap, one photo by using your mobile. So, yeah, shall we start a demonstration, please? So before starting, let me introduce myself. My name is Maha. I have totally 15 years of IT experience. My career starts as a Java dev. Then I turn as DevOps engineer, senior DevOps engineer. From last 5 years onwards, I'm working as a senior DevOps engineer as well as AWS and with Azure also. This is in exactly my profile. So today we're going to be discussing about what is AWS. Before starting, so I'm going to be asking you one question. Please answer to me. What is an exactly application? What is an exactly application? What is an exactly application? Application is equal to website. Application is equal to websites, like a Flipkart website, like Book My Show, Redbus, IRCTC. These are all we are calling as what? Application. What is an application? The working software which is written any programming like Java, .NET, Python. We are called as what? Application. That application we are going to be placed. We're going to be placed on servers. So the working software as an application, we are going to be placed on hundreds of servers. We're going to be placed on hundreds of servers. Once if it is placed our application on hundreds of servers, we are going to be accessing over internet as a website. I hope you people are understand what is an application. Anybody help me? Application is equal to website. That a website we're going to be host on server side. Then we are going to be accessing over a internet. So, the next question I'm going to be ask you, what is in exactly infrastructure? So, for maintaining our application, for deploying our application, we required a infrastructure. What is infrastructure? For example, to conduct this session, means this DevOps classes or what may be AWS classes, we require infrastructure or not? Chairs, tables, laptop, TV, internet connection, AC, my water bottle. These are all infrastructure or not? Without this infrastructure, can able to conduct these sessions or not? No. The same way, for maintaining our applications, for deploying our websites, what kind of infrastructure is required? That is my question. So majorly we require servers. We require servers. We require networks. We require databases. We require storages. So these are all major infrastructure is required to maintain our websites on hundreds of subs. Clear? What is an application? We understood. What is infrastructure? We understood. But how many ways we can able to get this infrastructure? How many ways? How many ways to get infrastructure? We can able to get 3 ways totally. First one is what? By physical environment or virtual environment or cloud environment. Either physically or virtually or cloud environment. Server is same, but way of getting is different. We can able to get servers either by physical environment or virtual environment or cloud environment. I hope you understood very clearly. So I'll repeat one more time. So for maintaining our applications, we require this infrastructure. This infrastructure either by physically or by virtually or by cloud environment we can able to get it. But tell me, what is cloud computing? What is cloud? The cloud is nothing but a internet. But what is the computing, please? What is an exactly compute? It's a new word. So you have a computing power in your laptop or no? Yes, which kind of computing power? RAM, CPU, hard disk, we are calling as a computing power or not? That's what we're calling as a computer. So what is the computing power? Please tell me. What is the computing power? So which you having a hardware resources in your laptop. The same kind of computing power in servers also, like RAM, CPU, motherboard. The hardware which you are seeing, which we have, that we are calling as what? Computing power. But what is the cloud computing? My question is very specifically I'm asking to you. What is an exactly cloud computing? Listen very carefully. The remote placed resources. The remote placed resources like remote placed computing power. If you can able to access over a internet from your laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. Tell me. So what is a cloud computing? Please anybody help me? Remote placed resources. If we can able to access over internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. Cloud computing, we understood very clear. First, let us understand what is a data center. So what is a data center? Simple way. The huge computing power, keeping in a rack wise in a big room, we calling as a data center. Just like your building, like just like your institute, just like your home, just like your apartment. These data centers are existing physically. We can able to see with your eyes. How exactly can able to touch your mobile? How exactly you can able to see your laptop? Same way of physical or data centers, we can able to see with our eyes. These data centers are physically existing. So from these data centers, if we can able to access a computing power or resources or infrastructure, our internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. I'll repeat. These data centers are located in different geographical locations, like in US, like in Singapore, like in Mumbai, like in Hyderabad also. These data centers are physically exist throughout the globe. So from these data centers, if we can able to access infrastructure, our internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud compute. Let me repeat one more time. So remote placed resources. Remote means in somewhere else, like in US, Singapore, or Mumbai. From remote placed resources, resource is nothing but what? Either server or network storage is. If we can able to access remote place resources over internet from your laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. I hope you people are understand very clearly what is a cloud computing. Tell me, which is easy for you? Which is then exactly easy for you? Select the news and build the news. Always we are going to be preferring only select the news on. Select then use means. So any cloud is going to be providing only rental based infrastructure. We're not buying anything by using cloud. We are not buying, but we are going to be taking rental infrastructure. Instead of buying infrastructure, we're going to be taking what? Rental infrastructure. So I will give you a good example. You can understand much deeper. Just listen very carefully. So I want to go to railway station. I want to go to railway station by car. I buy car. I can able to get a car two ways. So first way, buy car, buying a car, and you need to railway station. The second option is what? Rental car like Ola, Uber. Which is better for us? Rental always. So simply, just for reaching a railway station, are you really buying a car by spending 10 lakhs rupees? It is stupid idea, am I right or wrong? Instead of buying a car, just book a Ola cab. Within 10 minutes, the car is available at your doorstep. Happily can able to reach railway station. What are the tariff? Can pay up to maybe 3 to 300 to 500. That's it. After that, do not worry about the car. But still, if you have a buy a car, what will happen? We have to spend upfront amount 10 lakhs. Then that's it. No license is required. RC copy is required. Pollution check is required. Insurance copy is required. So you have a driving license. Moreover, you have to drive. If you don't have driving, you have to hire one driver also. These are all the headaches if you want to maintain a car. Instead of that, just go for Ola cab. Just go for rental cab. Am I right or wrong? The same example applicable for applications also. Just for deploying our applications, really are you going to be buying a server or else rental service, which is easy for you? Rental. Rental service. So we're going to be getting rental service and easily we are going to be deploying means placing our applications and we can able to fulfill our purpose easily. But instead of that, if you buy a service, what will happen? We have to keep servers in a data center, means like this big room. Who will pay the rent for every month? Current bill, who will pay? Employee salaries. There's a lot of headache. Instead of buying, we are always looking for what? Rental service for what? Maintaining, deploying our websites. This is an exactly cloud. Why we are moving into the cloud? For just rental infrastructure. Rental infrastructure. So any cloud, either Google, either Azure or AWS, any cloud, any cloud, any cloud. So providing rental infrastructure only. Any cloud provider, they are providing only rental infrastructure. But we are going to be learning out of those AWS, Amazon Web Services. Any cloud same, but so providers are different. Providers are different, but which provider we going to be learning, guys? Please, which cloud provider? AWS, Amazon Web Services. AWS is a first cloud provider. AWS is a first cloud provider. AWS is a first cloud provider in 2002 might be. So that is the reason it is a popular. It is a first provider. So because of it is occupied more than 60-50% of market. And tell me. In AWS, we are going to be discussing totally 4 modules. Each module will take 2 weeks. Each module we're going to be spending 2 weeks of time. So, what is the first module? VPC. Second module is what? EC2. Third module is what? RDS. Fourth module is what? S3. VPC is nothing but what? Network. EC2 is nothing but what? Servers. RDS is nothing but what? Databases. S3 is nothing but what? Storage. But let it be write down. So EC2 is nothing but what? Servers. So network is nothing but what? VPC. RDS is nothing but what? Databases. S3 is nothing but what? Storage. So for deploying our applications, what kind of infrastructure we require, we can able to get it from cloud. We can able to get it from cloud as a rental base. First, let us understand what is the VPC, what is EC2, what is RDS, what is S3. Let us deep diving into this, please. Let us deep diving into this, please. So, what is the VPC? VPC is nothing but what? Network. VPC is nothing but what? Network. So a isolated private network, a office kind of private network, we are going to be getting over internet in a virtual form is nothing but what? VPC. I think each and every buddy knows how exactly network. So if you visit any office, so the computers are connecting with internet cable. Am I right or not? That is an exactly physical network. Or else in your home we have a broadband connection or not? We have a modem. That modem we have internet cable connecting with your laptop or not? Even my laptop also connected with the network. Without network, there is no class for today, sir. So, but these networks are private networks. Your office network is what? Private network, which you can't be accessed from outside world. So that's the point I want to tell you. A isolated, a office kind of private network, if we can able to access over a internet in a virtual form is nothing but what? VPC. By using VPC, we can able to create n number of networks. So for example, first network is for you, second network is for me, third networks are for my friend. N number of networks we can able to create. There is no limit. N number of networks. I'll repeat this point, listen very carefully. Anybody can getting into the AWS, you and me, anybody. But after getting into AWS, we can able to create our private section. This is an exactly your private section. No one can enter into this. You can do whatever you want. Without your permission, no one can enter. We can create a servers here, we can create a databases also. For example, so we have a 2 companies. One company name is what? TCS. And second company is what? HCL. So TCS and HCL, both companies are using AWS. But once if it is getting, TCS people can able to create their own network. HCL people also can create their own network. But HCL can't be getting into TCS. TCS can't be getting into the HCL. So that's kind of like level of security is available inside AWS. So what is the network? Anybody help me? A virtual private network is your private section of AWS, where you can able to place resources like servers and databases. Who can access? Who can't be accessed? We can able write rules and regulations. Is nothing but what? VPC. Simply we can say only one word. VPC is equal to network. It is more than enough to understand. VP is equal to network, private network, whatever. But what about EC2? By helping of EC2, we can able to create a server. So how exactly your laptop has, which are all the components, has your laptop, same kind of resources, same kind of component server also, like CPU, operating system, hard disk, RAM, firewall, NIC. So which are all the components available in laptop, the same kind of components available in server also. But your laptop is just for your home purpose. But server is for what? Deploying or placing our applications, please. Deploying and placing our applications. Clear all of you? But what is EC2? So what is the computing power? RAM, CPU, whatever which I have discussed. The computing power, if we can able to access over internet in elastic form, a flexible kind of computing power over internet, if we can able to access in a virtual form, is nothing but what? EC2. 1E, 2 Cs. 1E, 2 Cs. It's nothing but what? EC2. Got it very clear. Example, to understand this, I'll give a good example you can understand. For example, I want to deploy a Hotstar kind of applications, or else a Prime Video, Netflix, any kind of website I want to post. So first, what we have to require, please, first we need to establish what? Network. Without network, there is no server. First, we need to establish what? Networking. On top of it, we are going to be creating what? First, we are going to be establishing network. Once if it is established network, we are going to be creating a server. On top of server, we're going to be host our Hotstar application. Once if it is host, we can able to access over internet from anywhere in the world, just like this.